Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Campus Bastada Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today Python functions. Define functions, passing argument to function, return a value from function, scope of objects, default arguments, position and keyword argument, variable length argument. Functions which offer usable code, solve particular task, call function instead of writing code yourself. Function call. When we have defined a function, we can call it from another function program or even the Python. To call a function, we simply type the function name with appreciate parameters, calling the function that is defined. Scope and lifetime of a variable. Scope of a variable is the portion of program where the variable is recognized. Parameters and variables defined inside a function is not visible from outside as they have a local scope. Lifetime of variable is the period of throughout which the variable exists in the memory. The lifetime of variable inside a function is also as long as the function executes. They are destroyed once we return from the functions. Function definition. Using function we can structure our program in a more modular way, assessing all the structure programming can offer to us in C. A function is a group of statements that is executed when it is called from some point of the program. The following is its format. Functions modularize a program. All variables declared inside functions are local variable, not only function defined. Parameter communicate information between functions, local variable. Benefit of functions divided in concur management program development. Software reusability, use existing function as building block of new program. User-defined function involve following step: functions, prototype declaration, function call, function initialization. How to use defined function work? C program does not execute the statement in a function until the function is called. When it is called, the program can send information to the function in the form of one or more argument. When the function finishes processing, program returns to the same location which called the function. Function declaration syntax of function declaration defined as return type and parameter. Return type in which is defined on type the defined of data type value written by the function, and function does some calculation and many returns. Function's name is a valid C, identify the uniquely. Parameter list. The functions may accept input. Parameter list contain input type and variable name given the function, and multiple inputs are C functions. Function prototype provide the C compiler the name and arguments of the functions and must appear before the function is used or defined. From the previous prototype example, we know the function is name cube. It requires variable of the type long and it will return the value of type long. Function prototype need a exactly match of the function header. C functions normally placed before the start of main braces but must before the function definition. Provide the compiler with the description of a function that will be defined at a later point the program. Include a return type which indicate the type of variable that the function will return. A prototype should always end with semicolon. First line function definition is called the function header. Should be identical the function's prototype declaration except the semicolon. Function body containing the statement which the function will be performed should begin with the opening braces and with the closing braces.